How to make money with automated crypto bots. OKX Bot Trading for beginners. Have you ever wondered how to make money efficiently and automatically, even while you sleep? This is the first video in my OKX Bot Trading course for beginners, where I will guide you from A to Z on how to use trading bots to generate passive income. What is OKX Bot Trading and why is it 100% automated? Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the latest bot trading strategies and setups. Here, you will learn how to configure trading bot settings, mindset and strategy for bot trading, how to optimize bot parameters, how to copy my proven bot settings, pro tips and tricks to maximize profits. What is a trading bot? A trading bot is an automated tool programmed to execute trades based on preset conditions. It runs 24/7 without human intervention. On OKX, trading bots are fully integrated into the platform, offering traders an automated way to make money. Benefits of using trading bots. 1. 100% automated and passive income. Once set up correctly, the bot trades continuously and consistently for you. 2. Low capital requirement. You can start with as little as $50, $30, or even $10, making it accessible to everyone. 3. Emotion-free trading. Unlike human traders, bots do not suffer from emotional decisions, reducing the risk of impulsive losses. 4. Multiple profit strategies. You can run multiple bots simultaneously on BTC, ETH, SOL, and other altcoins to diversify income streams. 5. Pre-configured bots available. You do not need to be an expert, simply adjust the parameters to fit your strategy. Drawbacks of bot trading. 1. Steep learning curve. With so many bot types, beginners may feel overwhelmed. That is why I created this series to simplify everything for you. 2. Bots cannot replace manual trading. Some decisions still require human intervention as bots only follow predefined rules. 3. High risk if misused. Without proper knowledge and risk management, bots can lead to losses instead of profits. 4. Basic technical analysis required. Understanding market trends helps in optimizing bot performance. 5. Choosing the right bot is key. Each bot serves a different purpose. I will guide you step by step on how to pick the right one for your trading goals. Types of trading bots on OKX. 1. Grid trading bot. Automates buying and selling within a price range. 2. DCA dollar cost averaging bot. Gradually buys at different price points to average the entry price. 3. Recurring buy bot. Auto purchases crypto based on time intervals and predefined amounts. 4. Portfolio rebalancing bot. Automatically adjusts asset allocation based on market movements. Which bot should you use to make money? Grid trading bot and DCA bot are the best choices for profitability. Both have futures versions, grid futures and DCA futures, offering leverage for higher returns. In upcoming videos, I will break down how to use each bot, when to use them, and how to maximize your profits. Do not forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will answer them in future videos. See you in the next video. SEO optimized tags for better reach. Crypto trading, trading bot, OKX bot, passive income, grid trading, DCA, crypto bot, automated trading, OKX, make money crypto.